Dr. Julia Claire Olima, the Chief Executive Officer of the Depositors Protection Fund, highlighted the initiative to pay out 2 billion shillings to the depositors impacted by the closure of the EFC Microfinance. At the time of closure, EFC Microfinance Limited had a total of 52 billion shillings in terms of deposits. However, 50 billion shillings belonged to 40 people.
So that means that effectively, those 43 depositors I talked about actually own over 98% of the depositor base in terms of value, which is the 15 billion. And the rest of the depositors account for the 2%, which is the 2 billion shillings.
The year 2023 witnessed the closure of EFC Microfinance, which had been operating in Uganda since 2012.
Has effective today, 19th January 2024, placed EFC Uganda Limited under liquidation, revoked its license, and ordered for the winding up of its affairs.
The Depositors Protection Fund promptly initiated the process of compensating the 2,440 affected depositors following the closure and revocation of the EFC Microfinance license.
Depositors out there who took loans from EFC, they are going to be treated in a special way because the law has a provision on how people who took loans from a closed bank are treated. Specifically, those who defaulted definitely have caused the collapse of that bank. Therefore, we cannot expect that they are going to be paid their full deposit. So there can be some offsetting, but that information is going to be shared with you.
Yusufu Muchibi shared insights into the depositors' demographics of the EFC Microfinance as of December 31st.
The difference will be paid by the regulator in this case because they pronounce themselves that all the depositors are covered fully. So as DPF, we shall pay up to 10 million. That means that the 90 million for Jemba will actually be covered by Bank of Uganda.
Among the affected depositors, 1,800 individuals had 100,000 shillings and below, 600 had 10 million shillings and below, and 40 individuals had deposits exceeding 10 million Ugandan shillings. Dr. Julia Claire Olema provided details about the payout, mentioning that it will commence on Monday, January 29th, 2024, and will last for 10 days.
Individual account holders, a valid original national ID, this is mandatory for Ugandan nationals, a valid passport for non-Ugandans, a valid refugee number for the refugees.
The Depositors Protection Fund's initiative aims to alleviate the financial strains on the 2,440 depositors affected by the closure of the microfinance, making a crucial step towards financial stability for those individuals. Nasali Fatia,